Dear friends, good morning. In this tutorial, we'll learn CSS color, how to use color and style website content. Let's first open the VS Code, open an HTML boilerplate, how to use CSS color. There are three ways of using colors. First one is just use the color name. In CSS, there are 140 color names we can use, but we have to remember the color names or VS Code auto prompt the color name. Let's write some code. H1 CSS color names RGB color X the decimal color full saturation lightness color. So there are four types of ways we can use color. P tag lorem 100. Open in live server, we'll see black and white. Now style it. Let's see index.html link. CSS file is not linked. CSS oblique style.css. We have linked the CSS file in HTML. Now body BGC. Background color we have just used the color name. There are so many colors, or if you click here you will see RGB color. We can change and it comes RGB. So let us first create give the color with the color name and see the background color has been changed. Let us give it gray. Background color has been changed. Now gray you can use RGB font color P text color is color. Now let us use RGB color. RGB 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 255 maximum of rate 200. So it is only red color. See, only red. If we write red 0, green 255, it becomes green. If we write green also 0 and blue 255, color becomes blue. But what if we want mix? Say for example we want this color. See, this colors RGB is 98, 98, 144. So this is the mixed of RGB color. What if we want something like this color? See, it is changed. So this is the way we can use RGB, red, green, blue, combination of red, green, blue. Now, what is hexadecimal color? We can search it in the internet. Hex color code. Hexadecimal color code. We have to memorize some important color code for better performance and speed up your website development and CSS coding. Say for example, if we want this color, this is the code, copy it. RGB also given, hexadecimal code also given. So let's copy it and write it here. See, the color has been changed. Let us take a better color, good looking color. Which one? Which one? Let us take this one. Control C, Control V. So the color has been changed. So this is hexadecimal color code. You have to note some important color code somewhere in your laptop or in your diary so that you can use that color whenever necessary. You can also note down RGB color code, and this color name you will say, for example, background color red. You can get it from here. If you write olive, so it is also important to note down the color name. Another one color system is HSL, hue, saturation, and lightness. HSL color code you can also search from internet. HSL color code. This is HSL colors. You can get it from internet and memorize or note down something from and note down it in your computer or diary so that you can use it whenever necessary. Another important one thing is for color, you can mention the opacity. Opacity 0.5. Hair body color. Let's see. Background color we have not given. Only now opacity 0.5. See, opacity 0.5 is this. Opacity 0.2. Let's give 0.2. Opacity 0.1. 0.9. It is more deep. Let's use red. Opacity 0.1. See, going to the opacity, the color is changing. So this is the way of using color opacity, and there are different types of ways four types of OS. You can use color by using color name, by using RGB color code, or by using hexadecimal color code, or hue saturation lightness color code. So this is very important. What you need to write, note down somewhere the important color codes, so that you don't need to uh, waste time. You can use some important and most useful color code somewhere. Thank you very much for watching these videos. I hope you like this video and continue watching. Please subscribe my video and continue watching.